Top 5 Best Foldable Phones in 2024. Foldable phones are continuing to revolutionize the smartphone market in 2024, combining the versatility of tablets with the portability of smartphones. As technology advances, foldable devices are becoming more refined, durable, and practical for everyday use. This year brings a lineup of foldables that offers stunning displays, powerful performance, and innovative designs that push the boundaries of what mobile devices can do. Motorola Razor. The Motorola Razor brings back the iconic design of the original Razor flip phone, but with all the modern foldable technology you'd expect in 2024. This device combines nostalgia with cutting-edge innovation, offering a sleek, compact design that unfolds into a fully functional smartphone. The 6.7-inch OLED main display offers vivid colors and sharp resolution, while the external 3.6-inch Quick View display allows you to quickly check notifications, control media, and even respond to messages without opening the phone. The Motorola Razor is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset, which ensures smooth performance whether you're multitasking, gaming, or using demanding apps. With 8 GB of RAM and 256 GB of internal storage, it offers plenty of power and space for everyday tasks. The phone's foldable design is complemented by a hinge mechanism that's more durable than ever, tested to withstand thousands of folds without wear. The camera system on the Motorola Razor is another standout feature, with a 50MP main sensor and a 13MP ultra-wide lens that delivers stunning shots in all lighting conditions. The Quick View display also doubles as a selfie camera viewfinder, allowing you to take high-quality selfies without unfolding the phone. Battery life is solid as well, with a 3,800 mAh battery that supports 30 fast charging, ensuring you can stay connected throughout the day. The Motorola Razor is perfect for those who love the flip phone form factor with modern smartphone power. Google Pixel Fold. Google's first foldable, the Google Pixel Fold, combines the best of Android with Google's exceptional software experience, making it one of the top foldable phones in 2024. The 7.6-inch flexible OLED display unfolds to offer a near-tablet experience with 120 Hz refresh rate, perfect for watching movies, multitasking, or playing games. When folded, the external 5.8-inch OLED display functions just like a regular smartphone screen, offering convenience without the need to open the device. Under the hood, the Pixel Fold is powered by Google's own Tensor D3 chipset, optimized for artificial intelligence-driven tasks, ensuring blazing fast performance and seamless multitasking. Paired with 12 GB of RAM and 512 GB of storage, this foldable handles everything from gaming to productivity with ease. Google's Android 14 software has been fine-tuned for foldable devices, providing an intuitive experience whether the phone is open or closed, with features like multitasking windows and app continuity. The Pixel Fold shines in photography, with a 50MP primary sensor, 12MP ultra-wide lens, and 48MP telephoto lens with 5x optical zoom. Google's industry-leading computational photography ensures that you get incredible photos in all lighting conditions, making it one of the best foldable phones for camera enthusiasts. The Pixel Fold is also equipped with a 4,800 mAh battery that supports 30 W fast charging and wireless charging, so you never have to worry about running out of power. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 represents the pinnacle of foldable technology in 2024, offering a refined design and unmatched versatility. With a large 7.8-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X main display and a secondary 6.2-inch Super AMOLED cover display, the Z Fold 6 is perfect for users who need a device that functions as both a phone and a tablet. The main display supports a 120 Hz adaptive refresh rate, delivering incredibly smooth visuals whether you're gaming, watching content, or multitasking. Powering the Galaxy Z Fold 6 is the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, paired with 12 GB of RAM and up to 1 TB of storage. This makes the Z Fold 6 one of the most powerful foldable phones on the market, capable of handling heavy multitasking, high-end gaming, and productivity tasks with ease. Samsung has also improved the ultra-thin glass durability and the hinge mechanism, making the phone more resilient to everyday wear and tear. The camera setup on the Z Fold 6 is one of the best you'll find on any foldable, with a 50MP primary camera, 12MP ultra-wide lens, and a 10MP telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom. Samsung's artificial intelligence-powered enhancements ensure stunning photos in any setting, while the larger display provides an excellent viewfinder for photography and video recording. The Z Fold 6 also packs a 4,600 mAh battery, with 45U fast charging and 25U wireless charging, ensuring that you have enough power to get through the day, even with heavy usage. OnePlus Open. The OnePlus Open is a highly anticipated entry into the foldable market, offering premium build quality, high-end performance, and a seamless foldable experience. The 7.6-inch OLED main display with a 120Hz refresh rate provides an immersive experience for gaming, watching movies, or multitasking. The 6.4-inch external display offers the same fluidity and vibrant colors as the main screen, allowing for a complete smartphone experience without needing to unfold the device. Powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, the OnePlus Open delivers top-tier performance for any task. With 12GB of RAM and 512GB of storage, it handles multitasking, gaming, and productivity with ease. OnePlus has optimized its Oxygen-OS 14 to take full advantage of the foldable form factor, offering features like split-screen multitasking and enhanced gestures for a more intuitive experience. The OnePlus Open is equipped with a 50MP primary camera, 48MP ultra-wide lens, and a 32MP telephoto lens with 2x optical zoom. The Hasselblad collaboration continues to improve photo quality, ensuring vibrant colors and sharp details in every shot. With a 4,800 mAh battery and 80W Super VOC fast charging, the OnePlus Open offers one of the fastest charging experiences among foldable phones, ensuring minimal downtime when recharging. Take multitasking to the next level with Open Canvas, which allows instant app switching and drag-and-drop functionality across apps. With our iconic Oxygen OS design language, the OnePlus Open is fast and smooth across all scenarios: gaming, entertainment, working, and more. The OnePlus Open features a powerful triple camera array co-developed with Hasselblad. These include a primary 48MP primary lens, a 48MP ultra-wide, and a 64MP periscope zoom lens. Capture pro-grade portraits with natural bokeh and high color accuracy or shoot stories in Dolby Vision HDR format. Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold. The Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold brings a new level of artificial intelligence-powered innovation to the foldable market in 2024. Featuring a 7.6-inch LTPO OLED foldable display with 120Hz refresh rate, the Pixel 9 Pro Fold offers stunning visuals for media consumption, gaming, and multitasking. The 5.8-inch external display is compact yet powerful, making it easy to handle for everyday smartphone tasks. The Tensor G4 chipset powers the Pixel 9 Pro Fold, delivering artificial intelligence-enhanced performance that adapts to your usage patterns for improved efficiency. With 12GB of RAM and 512GB of internal storage, this device can handle anything from running intensive apps to storing large amounts of data. Google has optimized Android 14 for foldables, offering enhanced split-screen features and app continuity, ensuring a smooth transition between the unfolded and folded states. The camera system on the Pixel 9 Pro Fold is exceptional, with a 64MP main sensor, 12MP ultra-wide lens, and a 48MP telephoto lens. Google's artificial intelligence-driven photography ensures incredible photo quality, even in low light conditions, and the large foldable display acts as an expansive viewfinder for taking professional-level shots. The Pixel 9 Pro Fold also features a 5,000 mAh battery with 30W fast charging and wireless charging, ensuring that you can stay connected all day long. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.